ආයුබෝවන්. අපේ රටේ විද්‍යාඥයින්ගේ අපේ රටේ විද්‍යාවේ සැඟවුණු කතා හොයාගෙන යන ගමන SciTalk Lab with Saree scientist මේ වතාවේ කතා කරන්නේ අපේ බත් පිඟාන ගැන. අපි හැමෝම හැමදාම අතට ගන්න බත් පිඟානේ තියෙන බත් එහෙම නැත්නම් සහල් නියම රසයෙන් ගුණයෙන් පාටින් සුවඳින් යුතුව අපේ අතට එන්න ඒ පිටිපස්සේ කොයිතරම්නම් ලොකු විද්‍යාත්මක ක්‍රියාවලියක් තියනවාද කියලා ඔයගොල්ලෝ දන්නවද? අන්න ඒ ක්‍රියාවලියට දායක වෙන විද්‍යාඥයෙක් ගැන තමයි මේ වතාවේ එපිසෝඩ් එකෙන් අපි කතා කරන්නේ. අතීතයේ පෙරදිග ධාන්‍යාගාරය කියලා විරුදාවලිය ලැබපු අපේ රටේ පෝෂණ අවශ්‍යතාවය සම්පූර්ණ කරන්න පිටරටවල් වලින් ආයනායනය කරන සහල් ප්‍රමාණය අඩු කළා. අපේ ලංකාවේ දේශීය සහල් නිෂ්පාදනය වැඩි දියුණු කරන්න දායක වෙච්ච විද්‍යාඥයෙක් ගැනයි අද කතා කරන්නේ. බලන්නකෝ එතුමා කවුද කියලා.
We always like to solve problems through scientific method. You know, when you ask to define research, how to define? Research is a systematic study into a subject using scientific method. You know, when you look at scientific methods, you have to have a hypothesis, you have to have an experiment to be tested. To test that hypothesis, then taking results and then interpreting that. So that is how you solve problem. When you look at, I was thinking about those things and I gathered information. Now most of the people say, oh, what are you doing? I am doing science. What is science? Then there is no answer. If you really look at science, you should be able to define what is science. Then based on the information that I gathered, science should satisfy three things. First thing is, you should have cause and result relationship within science. Otherwise, it's not science. And then, any scientific thing should be able to be empirically tested. Now, say, I say, if you apply fertilizer, you can increase yield. Then you have to show it by applying fertilizer, without fertilizer, and show that this is as high yields than this. You have to empirically, it should be able to be empirically tested. That is the second thing. Third thing, it has to be repeatable. If when I do it, the yield is increased. When you do it, if yield is not increased, it's not science. If it is a real scientific thing, it has to be repeated. Those are the things. But when you look at the evolution, it's not a science thing. You can empirically test, no? But it's a theory. It's a scientific theory. Theories cannot be empirically tested. But you have cause and results listing and even repeatability. So there are
ways to it.
Yeah, it's just that you can totally explain. But science should complete those, should satisfy three things. Then I am trying to do that. So doing research, trying to solve problems. And the other thing, you have to identify problem clearly. If you don't identify the problem clearly, so you are nowhere. Always you fail. Those days I liked art. I could draw very well.
Okay.
But now I can't. Maybe if I tried, I can.
Yeah.
But those things are important for your life.
Yes.
Not that they are not important, but scientific things are very useful. You have to first you have to live.
Yes.
And then while living, you have to be happy. To live, you need science.
Yes.
To be happy, you need something else.
Aesthetic, creativity.
Or basmati is very popular now. All basmatis are white. So I wanted to have a red basmati type. So I developed that. Not really very similar to basmati, but close to basmati. That was the first variety I developed. And they put the name basmati, red basmati. I said, no, it's not. You are blame. India protested that you cannot use the name basmati in your variety. That is geographically highly protected or something, so that they change the name whole grain red rice or something, right? Basmati. Then based on that, that was the first variety with low GI and high protein. Then I developed another variety. It was not fragrant. That is why it was not really basmati.
Right.
It has long grains and everything, but not fragrant. Then I developed another variety. It's a real health variety called red fragrant.
Okay.
Red fragrant. It has high protein, high vitamin B, high antioxidants, high fiber, and it is low GI. So it is a real good health variety. So that is the second variety. Third variety is a white basmati type variety with fragrant but not very long grains, but similar to basmati. That is also popular among people. That red fragrant and red basmati type, those two varieties, the red fragrant is really close to basmati, are exported.
Okay.
Because red type
Right.
yeah. Then I developed two varieties. Those are it's a demand in the local market. Sudu Sudru and Ratu Sudru, we name them.
Okay.
Sudu Sudru and Ratu Sudru. They are very, now Kiri Samba, have you heard about Kiri Samba? Which is better than Kiri Samba,
Okay.
Sudu Sudru.
Okay.
And then Ratu Sudru. It's a very small grain. The people, local people like it. We have Sudru Samba.
Yeah.
It is white. This is red. Now they sell it as Sudru Samba, Ratu Sudru and Pink Sudru. Right?
Okay.
Little Polish and they say pink. Then I developed a variety very close to jasmine rice. It's called Savandara.
Okay.
The name Savandara is a good name. Savandara. So that is good for Kiribati.
Ah.
Little stick.
Right.
It is good for Kiribati. So those are the varieties I have developed. And another real basmati type variety I developed. It's called Super Karan. We can't say basmati. No. It's very long grain and grain elongate while cooking. Little aroma and very similar to basmati. So that because of that, in general, they import 2,000 tons per month basmati rice from India. Now they import only 1,700 tons, 3,000 tons we produce.
Wow.
Top administrators are all the people who have not done science. They have not studied science. All the people administrators. They are asking us what to do. It's conflict.
Yes.
But there are some secretaries, good secretaries. When you look at, when you study why they are good, they have done science. CKD. Then the all media people and everybody said that this is due to chemicals. This is due to pesticides. Then we were against that. Not due to it. Then you have to be scientific. You have to prove that. If it is due to pesticides, no one is proven. No one proved. But they say Sinhala ගැන හිතනකොට
අරයට මෙහෙම වුණා මෙයාට මෙහෙම වුණා.
ඒක නිසා okay මේ පැත්තේ based on some reasons we didn't accept that. What I could say, you have to be honest first and you have to use your brain. You have to use your brain and don't go after desires. You should not be an extremist. Don't go after desires, you have to control desires and you have to, as said, identify problems properly and try to solve them and you will face a lot of challenges but don't face challenges.
එතුමා තමයි ආචාර්ය සුමිත් අපේසිරිවර්ධන. ශ්‍රී ලංකා කෘෂිකර්ම දෙපාර්තමේන්තුවට අනුයුක්තව කාලයක් සේවය කරලා දැන් වෙනකොට CIC ආයතනයේ සහල් අභිජනන විද්‍යාඥයෙක් විදිහට කටයුතු කරන විද්‍යාඥයෙක්. ඉතින් එතුමා ආපු ගමන් මග එතුමා මුණ දීපු අභියෝග එතුමාට කියන්න තියෙන කතාව මේ හැමදේම දැනගන්න එකතු වෙන්න SciTalk Lab with Saree Scientist අලුත්ම එපිසෝඩ් එකත් එක්ක ළඟදීම. ආයුබෝවන්.